Ah putain.
Somebody might see yaddy. She taking photos on a camera phone. Yeah, baby, better smile for the camera. What you say like you know who I am now. Got a nice pic, got it like this. Get my good side by the way that the light hits. Yeah, down by the me camera shot, no not probably. Hit 'em with the blue steel and the late tea. Great, pretty soon you're gonna see, baby. Be looking good, you can put it on any filter. And pick the wrong one and I ain't gonna kill ya. But keep taking them shots and I might have to steal ya. Back to the crib while we go and get familiar. You've been getting pretty good at taking shots. So looking like oh my. Quick draw and she put it through lo-fi. Or have faith, but don't test me. Wait it out and I might show you the best, babe. Take a pic, make it pick. Do it big, but you better go and make it quick.
T'as éteint?
Quoi?
Tu l'as éteint?
Man, I did more than 7 seconds on a Snapchat. Damn, oh I am ready for the moment. Go and get the cam. Show me that you want it. Show me that you can. Turn this little boy to a grown ass man. Hot damn, this better be, better be, better be true. Just let it be, let it be, let it be you. On the iPhone, I'm home, ready to do whatever you do. Let's get it while you take it. Though she's down while she's keeping her eyes on me. Somebody might see she's taking photos on a camera phone. Yeah, yeah, she taking photos.
Et là on m'a allumé.